Hi guys, welcome back to Best Product. Today we're diving into a super useful tool for networking tasks, the best RJ45 Crimping Tool that can make your cable work faster and easier. If you deal with internet cables or phone lines, this is something you should definitely know about. Let's get started. So let me introduce you to the Ugreen NW136 RJ45 Crimping Tool. This is a full-function tool designed to handle almost everything you need when working with network cables. It supports a wide range of cable types, including Cat5, Cat5e, Cat6, Cat6a, Cat7, and even Cat8. That means you can use one tool for many different projects without worrying about compatibility. Another great thing about the Ugreen NW136 RJ45 Crimping Tool is that it works with both RJ45 connectors and RJ11 telephone connectors. This makes it useful not only for internet cables, but also for phone line connections. You do not need separate tools for different jobs, which saves both time and space. One feature that really stands out is the upgraded dual 8P port design. It allows you to switch between ports easily without using a screwdriver. This small change makes a big difference because it keeps your workflow smooth and simple while you work. The tool also combines cutting, stripping, and crimping into one step. Instead of using multiple tools, you can do everything with the Ugreen NW136 RJ45 Crimping Tool. This helps you finish tasks faster and reduces effort, especially when working on multiple cables. Durability is another strong point here. The tool uses an electrophoretic coating process that protects it from rust. This means it stays in good condition for a long time, even with regular use. The build quality is tough and wear-resistant, so it can handle repeated tasks without losing performance. To ensure reliable results, the Ugreen NW136 RJ45 Crimping Tool has gone through multiple quality tests. This gives you confidence that every crimp will be clean and precise, which is very important for stable network connections. Comfort is also well taken care of. The ergonomic design helps reduce strain on your hand, especially during longer tasks. The mechanical pivot joint prevents jamming and makes pressing smoother and easier compared to basic crimping tools. This means you use less effort while getting better results. On top of that, the soft, non-slip rubber handle gives you a firm and comfortable grip. It feels secure in your hand and helps prevent slipping while working, which improves both safety and accuracy. Overall, the Ugreen NW136 RJ45 Crimping Tool is a smart and reliable tool that brings together multiple functions, strong durability, and user-friendly design in one compact package. It makes cable work simpler, faster, and more efficient. This one is definitely worth checking out. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your needs. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Best Product for more helpful tools like this. See you in the next one.